Hi, I'm Eric,
And I'm Tracy.
and we redid our screen porch using the mini track system by Screen Type.
Maybe we should go back to the beginning. When my wife and I bought this house 5 years ago, the major selling point was this view. Unfortunately, it was obstructed by our dilapidated screen porch. The screen was old, stretched out, patched up, and well, pretty ugly. As part-time DIYers, we wanted a solution we could easily install ourselves, and that's why we turned to the mini track system by Screen Type. We installed the mini track system over 3 weekends. The project definitely had its ups and downs, and we learned a lot along the way. And you get to see it all, the good
It looks like we're gonna have a little help here. Hi.
and the bad.
A ton of rot.
And hopefully, you'll learn something along the way about the mini track system. If you're a DIYer and you're thinking about using the mini track system on your screen porch project, you're going to want to watch these videos. Enjoy.